Hello friends, welcome back to BusyMed channel. So before starting today's topic, I would like to tell you that I had already discussed 3 videos on ulnar nerve. In the first video, I explained about the introduction and the detailed explanation of the ulnar nerve course. Second video, ulnar nerve course with the help of diagram. Third video, I explained about the ulnar nerve relations. So this is the fourth video on ulnar nerve, which is about the branches of the ulnar nerve. So before watching this, please watch my previous 3 videos, which I had link posted in my description box. So starting with today's topic, ulnar nerve branches. In arm. Remember, ulnar nerve has no branches in arm. Ulnar nerve has no branches in arm. In forearm. It has 2 muscular branches, 2 cutaneous branches, and 1 articular branch. So total 5 branches ulnar nerve has in forearm. What are the 2 muscular branches? It supplies to the muscles flexor carpi ulnaris and medial half of flexor digitorum profundus. As we know that ulnar nerve is present medially, so it supplies the medial half of flexor digitorum profundus, whereas lateral half of flexor digitorum profundus is supplied by the median nerve. It's supplied by the median nerve. Two cutaneous branches, that is the palmar cutaneous branch and dorsal cutaneous branch. Okay, so palmar cutaneous branch. Palmar cutaneous branch, it passes above the flexor retinaculum and supplies the skin of hypothenar eminence. As ulnar nerve present medially, so this is the hypothenar eminence and this is the thenar eminence. So ulnar nerve palmar cutaneous branch supplies the skin over the hypothenar eminence, passes over the above the flexor retinaculum and supplies the skin of the hypothenar eminence. Supplies the skin of hypothenar eminence. Second, dorsal cutaneous branch. Dorsal cutaneous branch is present dorsally and it winds around the medial border of the hand. Dorsocutaneous branch, it winds around the medial border of the hand and reaches the dorsum. See, dorsocutaneous branch, it winds around the medial border and it reaches the dorsum of the hand, and it supplies the medial half of the skin. This is the medial half of the skin. Here the dorsocutaneous branch is supplied, and this dorsocutaneous branch extends into the proximal part of two half fingers. So this same dorsocutaneous branch, it winds around the hand and reaches the dorsal side, and it supplies the medial half of the skin of the dorsum of the hand, and it reaches the proximal part of two half of the fingers, this two and this half finger. Two half of the finger is supplied by the dorsal cutaneous branch of the ulnar nerve. Winds around the medial border of hand and reaches the dorsum it supplies the medial half of the skin of the dorsum of the hand. Medial half of skin of dorsum of hand. And palmar cutaneous branch extends in dorsal cutaneous branch extends into proximal part of two half fingers. Now the last branch, that is the one articular branch. The articular branch in the forearm, ulnar nerve gives to wrist joint. Okay. So this is the 5 branches of the ulnar nerve which it gives in the forearm. It has no branches in the arm. So let's see with the help of diagram. Ulnar nerve has no branches in the arm, whereas in forearm it supplies two muscles. It has two muscular branches. First, to flexor carpi ulnaris, and second, the medial half of flexor digitorum profundus. Okay, so these are the two muscular branches, and it gives two cutaneous branches, that is the palmar cutaneous branch and dorsal cutaneous branch. Palmar cutaneous branch and dorsal cutaneous branch. So this is the two cutaneous branches that is given by the ulnar nerve in the forearm, and one articular branch which it supplies at the level of wrist joint to the wrist joint. One articular branch, okay, that is which it supplies to the wrist joint. So this is about the 5 branches of the ulnar nerve in the forearm. In the next video I will be discussing about the branches of the ulnar nerve in the hand, which is very much important. Thank you for watching video. If you like my video, then please share, like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get the update whenever I post new video. Thank you.